Hi guys, this chair is broken from this shoulder. I put wood glue down there. I tie it with wires, iron wires, and I'm making a paste of what you call it. I'm making a paste of this one. I use this one. I'm making a paste of this wood sand, wood sand plus wood glue. I mix it. I will apply it over here. I'll make a layer of that on it. I will leave it for 2 days, 2-3 days to dry it down real good. Then I will sand it. I will show it to you. It dried completely, this one. I applied it over here, this one. The solution, I have a back video, I will show you. You will see this one. This is now, it's rock hard now, this one. Very beautiful. I will sand it this hole and I will put the color on it here. Like this one. Very beautiful, very strong, very hard. Stronger than this wood. This one whole. It was broken before. This one. Now this one is completely dry and hard. This one, everything. I will sand it. I will use 120 grit emery paper or cloth, emery cloth. I will sand it up real good. It will be even, this one. I sand it down with 120 and 150 emery paper and cloth. This is 150 emery paper. This is 120 emery cloth. This one. Sand it down with that. That's the used one. Now I will apply this polish, the furniture polish. It's a brown color, and apply with the cotton rag. I will show you that. There is a brown polish, furniture polish. I will apply over here. I will show you how it will look like. Okay guys, I did this one, brown primer color. It's not a full shiner. I will do it over here on this chair. I will show you how it will do. This one is just a primer. Like that. Oh man. I'm holding one hand camera and the other hand I'm using this one. I'm giving this one brown color to furniture, to my chair. I have to do this one 6 chair. I did this one. It looks pretty good. It's brown color. Well done. I'll put a shiner on it. Shiner will take at least 10 coats, 10 or 12 coats. Then it will become real polished chair. Thank you very much. See you later. Okay guys, there's shiner. I will apply this one with this cloth to the furniture. I'll give you I will do it just a little bit over here. Yeah, that's the shiner. It will shine very nicely. It will dry like in 5-10 minutes because it is put the base here. Look, this one shining here. It need a coat, almost 9-10 coats of that one. There's only a one coat I applied it on it. If I applied 8-9 coat, it will be much beautiful looking furniture. Look the color of that. Looks shining. Okay guys, if you like my video, give a thumbs up like that. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get my video first and share it. Have a nice day. Be safe and be cool. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.